Okay, really quick. Percent increase, percent increase. A lot of people get kind of confused by this, but let me just show you something. So like let's look at this one. If you have a block that let's say it's worth 100, and if you come and you say, "Well, I want to add another 100 to it." You have essentially duplicated this entire block. So together you have, if you add these two blocks together, you have 200, right? So you duplicated the whole thing. And I'm using the word whole because what I want you to see is if the whole represents 100%. So if you duplicated this block where you had 100, you added another 100, and now you have 200, that's a 100% increase. Okay? Because you started here, you increase the whole thing. When you increase the whole thing, you're increasing it by 100. Okay? Look at this one. So if you have $100 block, and let's say you only add 50 more. Well, that's 150 now, right? Well, did you duplicate the whole thing? No. What did you do? How much did you duplicate? You duplicated half the block. So half of the entire block is 50%. You see that? You went from 100, you added half of that. Now you're like, Dr. B, how do I know that 50 is half? Because if you take 100 and you half it, what do you get? 50. That's the same thing as saying 100 times 1/2. You get 50. Okay, so we took half of the block, if you want to say it like that. So if you did half, if you started with 100 and you added a half more and you ended up with 150, you increased by 50%. A lot of people try to take and say, well, I increased by 150%. No, you only duplicated half of it. You only added half to what you had. So what you had got increased by how much? 50%. Look at this one. If you have, let me pick a different color. So 100, right? And let's say I increased it by 200. I started with 100. I increased it by 200, which leads me to 300. Okay. How much did I increase this block by? Did I duplicate the whole block? Yes, right? How many times did I duplicate the whole block? Think about it. I duplicated the whole block, and I'm using whole purposely because whole is 100%. I duplicated the whole block twice. I started with 100. I added two more. This is 100 plus 100, right? 200. This is 100 and another 100, right? I duplicated the whole block twice. So that's a 200% increase. Not 300% because I didn't add 3 more blocks. I only added 2 more blocks. I started here and I duplicated it twice. I added it twice and it gave me here. That's a 200% increase. Why? Because I took a 100, which represents the whole, and I added another 100, which is another whole. So I have 2 wholes. I increased by 200%. Do y'all see that? Y'all see that? So let me do one more and then I'm going to show you the formula. But I like to show people this way so you don't get stuck on a formula and you understand the concept. So I have, trying to pick another color. And I'm using 100 just because the number's easier. And then let's say I only add 10. Did I duplicate the whole block? No, I didn't. Did I cut the block in half? No, I didn't. What did I do? Do you see what I did? I only added 10 of that block. Well, you're like, okay, Dr. B, well then how much did I increase this by? Let me show you. if I take 100 and I change the 100 into blocks of 10, how many blocks is that? Well, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks. So if there's 10 total blocks, then do you agree? Now I'm going to throw in a fraction. Don't y'all get mad at me. Each block represents 1/10. I have 1/10, 1/10, 1/10, 1/10. Each 10 is 1/10 of the entire 100. What I mean by 1/10? It counts as one of the tens out of all of the tens. So if I add all these tens up, I get 100. If I add all these 1/10ths up, I get 10 out of 10, which is a whole. That represents the whole 100. Okay, so you have to think of it in parts. So if I only added, I started with 100, right? If I add another 10, so this 100 already has 10 of them. So if I come over here and I said, okay, I want to add one more 10. That means I added one more 1/10, right? I added one more 1/10 to the 10 that I already had. So this is an increase of 1/10, an increase of 10%. 10%. And you're like, well, Dr. B, how do you know that that's 10%? Because, let me show you. We took 100 and we added a 10 to it. That gave us 1/10. 1/10, sorry, when you added together 1/10. But 1/10, if I take 100, do I want to say that? Yeah. Times 1/10, that's 100 divided by 10, right? That's 10 over 1, which is 10. That's a 10%. Let me not put that there. That's a 10% increase. It's a 10% increase. I added a 10th to it. That's a 10% increase. 10% increase. Let me show you the formula. Here's the formula. Okay, so in the formula, what you do, you take the new value and you subtract the old value, and then you divide everything by the old value. That's the formula. New value minus old value divided by the old value. So if I go back to A, this one, my new value is 200. I started with 100, okay? So then that means I'm going to take 200 minus 100 divided by 100. That's going to be 100 divided by 100. Oh, forgot to multiply by 100 because you end up with decimals sometimes. This gives you 1 times 100, which is 100%. That was a 100% increase. Okay, let's look at B. My new value is 150. My old value is 100. So I went from 150 to 100 divided by the old value, right? So that's 50 out of 100, or 5 out of 10, which is 1/2, right? We know 1/2, if we write that as a decimal, that's 0.50. And then when you multiply by 100, you get 50%. Okay, that was a 50% increase. Now look at C. This is our new value. This is our old value. Okay, so let's look at C. So we have 300. I did that in purple. Okay, 300 minus 100 divided by 100. That's 200 divided by 100, which is 2 divided by 1, which is 2. And then we multiply that by 100. That's going to give us 200%. Okay, increase 200%. And then the very last one, D, we were at 110, and then we 100. So look at D. So I started with 110 minus 100 divided by 100, right? So that's going to be 10 out of 100, which is 1/10. See that? Or if I write it as a decimal, and then when you multiply that by 100, you get 10%. Simple? Okay. Cool beans. Let me know where you have questions.